Alright, you guys, I am so excited to welcome you back to the channel. I have a Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. One of the most exciting videos maybe the channel has ever seen. In this package is one of the rarest Klein tools you may ever see. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm super excited. It was supposed to be here on Thursday, but it came on Monday. So it's like so many days early. So anyways, I'm not going to do that math. But anyways, let's go ahead and open it. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to put it on the wall. And I've been looking for one of these for like all the other tools, like years. Well, a year at least a year. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. I do not want to damage this at all. This is hopefully what I think it is. Come on, baby. Come on now. Woo! Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is one of the most exciting things of my entire life. Finding one of these is next to impossible, let alone brand new. Ooh, look at the dust on that. That is beautiful. So this is the Hi-Vis glow-in-the-dark 6-in-1 screwdriver slash nut driver. They've been discontinued for several years. Probably like 2017 is probably the last time I've seen them. Actually, this one says 2015 down here, so maybe that's when they stopped making them. So that's a good 8 years ago. But you have all the sizes here. Number 1 Phillips, number 2 Phillips, 3/16 slotted, quarter slotted, 5/16 nut driver, 1/4 inch nut driver. So it's not very useful as a tool. Obviously the 11-in-1s are better and stuff like that, but just a super rare tool, and super happy to add it to the collection. I do have a used one that has got a little bit of use on it, but I just had to have a brand new one, you know. I just had to have it in the package. It's so much more meaningful and just super cool. So yeah, this is it, and super exciting for me. Some of you might not understand, but for me this is a huge thing. So I can't wait to put it on the wall next to my other glow-in-the-dark screwdrivers in the collection. So anyways, that's all. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts down below on the item that I opened today, and let me know what you think about it, and if you've ever seen it before. Anyways, I'm super excited, and that's all I got for you guys. I can't wait to use these tools. Well, not use them, but have them around. Add them to the collection. You know what I'm saying. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See ya.